Now let me explain the section 13.6 independence again. If you watch my previous video, you know I explain independence event. Suppose there are two events A and B, then we can write probability A intersection B equal probability of A times probability of B. This is true if and only if A and B are independent. That means if A and B are independent, you can use this one, or if this is true, A and B are independent. Now let me explain how to check independent events using the conditional probability. Suppose there are two independent events A and B, then probability of B given A equal probability of B. Or you can write probability of A given B equal probability of A. Now you see here, this one A is the condition, here B is the condition. If A and B are independent, this going to the first letter here. So condition disappear. Now let me explain this example. Example 12. The Clemson University Factbook and Data Center for 2013 shows that 101 of the university's 253 assistant professors were women, along with 97 of the 301 associate professors and 71 of the 350 full professors. Before I go to the questions, let me write down these informations. I use a table to bring all information here. Women and men. Then I use here total. How many categories we have professors? We have assistant professors and associate professors. The last one full professors. Then let me go with another column. I say total. Now 101 of the university's 253 assistant professors were women. So here W is 101, total is 253, therefore M is 152 male professors. Then associate 97 of the 301, therefore 97 301, then men 204. Full professors 71 out of 350. 71 out of 350 here. Then how about the men? We can say 350 minus 71, 279. What is the total of the women? Then how do we calculate? Add this row 101 plus 97 plus 71, that is 269. Similarly, male professors 635. Total is 904. Now go to the first one. What is the probability that the randomly chosen Clemson professor is a woman? Okay, they are asking probability of woman. So what is the probability of woman? We know number of women. How many number of women here? 269 divided by total. What is the total? 904. That is the probability of women. That is 0.2976. Go to the second one. Asking what is the conditional probability that a randomly chosen professor is a woman, given that the person chosen is the full professor. Okay, understand that. Again read it. Asking probability that a randomly chosen professor is a woman. Okay, that means probability of the woman. But there is a condition. Given that the person chosen is a full professor. So I say full. How do we find this? We know according to the equation, probability of W and full divided by probability of full. Right, now we need to find the probability of W and full, woman and full, right? So how do we find this? Now go to the table. You see here W and full. Therefore W is this one, full is this one, right? So what is the number in the at the intersection? It is 71. Therefore I can say 71 divided by what? Divided by total. What is the total? 904. Therefore 71 divided by 904, that is probability of woman and full professor. Right. Then go to the probability of full. How do we find the probability of full? You see how many full professors total? Let me show you. And total full professors here 350. Right? Therefore, we can write 350 divided by 904. Right, now we know the probabilities. So we go with this one here again. Probability of W and full is 71 divided by 904. Then divided by probability of full professor, that is 350 divided by 904. Then you know this one cancel out. Therefore 71 divided by 350. So this is 0.2029. Now third one, are the rank and sex of Clemson professors independent? Now you know two equations to check independent. One is probability A and B equal probability of A times probability of B. If this is satisfied, then we can say A and B are independent. Or we just learn conditional probability. If A given B equal probability of A, then we can say A and B are independent. Right. Which one we can use here? Actually, you can use either one, but I go with this. Why? Because we have this information. So you can use male professors or female professors. But here we do have already female professors. Therefore, I check this probability of woman given that full equal probability of that. I check this one. Still I don't know is it true or not. I want to check that. Okay. Now let's see probability of W given full. It is from the second one we know 2.2029. Then we know already probability of W, it is 0.2976. Are they equal? They are not equal. That means probability of W given full are not equal probability of W. Therefore, these W and full are not independent. It means they are dependent. Therefore, we can say the rank and sex of Clemson professors not independent. They are not independent mean they are dependent, not independent.